Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning a new sound, L. The letter for this sound is L and the sound it makes is L. So let's see some of the words that begin with this sound. L is for lion, L, lion. L is for lunchbox, L, lunchbox. L is for lamp, L, lamp. L is for lemon, L, lemon. L is for lock, L, lock. L is for lollipop, L, lollipop. L is for leaf, L, leaf. L is for leg, L, leg. L is for ladder, L, ladder. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound L and the letter L. Let's go through them once again. L is for lion, L, lion, lion. L is for lunchbox, L, lunchbox, lunchbox. L is for lamp, L, lamp, lamp. L is for lemon, L, lemon, lemon. L is for lock, L, lock, lock. L is for lollipop, L, lollipop, lollipop. L is for leaf, L, leaf, leaf. L is for leg, L, leg, leg. L is for ladder, L, ladder, ladder. Now turn to your picture book and open page number 13. L is for lion, L is for lamp, L is for lunchbox, L is for lemon. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.